We're getting some foul FOWL feedback, or in bird parlance, that's Bach, B-O-K, exclamation, feedback. Birds, you know, they squawk. We also got some chirping going on. All right, I'm adding some white gouache here on this larger allegorical sea monster. Give it a little bit of contrast between light and dark in some of these sections here. It's a challenge drawing allegorical sea monsters as well as winged figures, but I love doing drawing for healing workshops with all ages, children, you know, ages 4, 5, 6, 7, on through adolescent age, teenagers, adults of all ages, tolerance education. All right, this is coming along here. A little more touch here. We'll put some white around this sea monster's eye here. Around that one too. All right, to be continued.